Hi everyone, welcome to Canadian Redneck Channel. My name's Dave, and today we have a unit motor here that we're going to rebuild. It's a C135 engine, International. It's basically a 123 that has been stroked, so it's an extra 1/8 or 1/4 inch in the stroke. I forget which exactly, but anyway. These are used quite extensively as unit motors. This particular one is off of a gravel screener, not that that matters. But they were also used in Model 91 Combine. I think some of the late T4s, 330 and 340 Farm All In International tractors, and probably a bunch of other uses also. So this one has its own kind of cradle setup that it fastens into, and a hand over center clutch on the back of it. So we'll get this pulled out of the cradle unit for it and get it ready to put in the engine stand so we can tear it down and rebuild. We've got our engine all disassembled now. We can take our crank to the engine rebuilders and have it checked and turned. Right now it's at 10 and 10 undersize. 10 thousandths on the main and 10 thousandths on the rods. Actually they all looked in really good shape other than the center main had some rust on it. A unit like this ends up sitting for months at a time, you know, over the winter. Probably had some dampness in there and got some rust on the crank at some time. So the mains will have to be turned for sure. Might get away with polishing the rods, or they might need turned also. And we'll get the head, you know, the valves ground and all that kind of stuff, make sure the head's in tip-top shape. Get our sleeves and stuff measured up so we can order our new kit, and we'll get some pieces and get ready to start putting stuff back together. And in the meantime, while the crank and stuff is at the engine rebuilder, I can clean up gasket surfaces and have all the pieces ready to go back together when I get parts to put it together. So, hope you've enjoyed the video, the start of this engine rebuild series. Any questions or comments, you can leave those in the comment section below. Please give us a like down there, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.